Okay, day 6. Man, I'm not even in a whole week and I feel like I've been doing this forever. Yesterday I touched JavaScript a little bit more. I created a to-do list, a very ugly one. Um, Now I feel like it's starting to get serious because today I want to take a look at Python, which is the language that almost all AI tools are built with, apparently. Like, um, so I don't know anything about code for anyone who might watch this for the first time. Um, Again, I'm not trying to become a software engineer. Um, I just really feel, especially now, I'm starting to see a lot of people are vibe coding stuff and having either security issues or apps that are not working. Um, I'm well aware that I will not be able to single handedly code something, but I truly feel that if I want to use Claude Code or anything to build something myself, I need to at least understand a tiny bit of how it works. It's like, I'm not going to study medicine to become a doctor, but as someone who might encounter problems and as the children's, I think it's very useful to at least know where is each organ situated in the body and what does it do, basically. So when somebody says, oh, it hurts here so much, I can have a tiny idea of, oh my God, we need to call an ambulance, or oh, it's nothing. You just, you have gas, for example. So this is basically what's happening. So let's see. I'm starting to like Claude a lot. By the way, you know what's bothering me as someone who doesn't understand anything? You know who I think is the real winner in all of this? I think it's Apple. I mean, they're doing nothing. They're not building AI agents and software and stuff. But I feel like they are slowly in the darkness building all of this hardware that everybody suddenly needs. Everybody is buying Mac minis like crazy. And I feel like at the end, everything will belong to them. I don't know. Conspiracy theory. You may call it what you want. Anyway, let's create a project folder. Open terminal on your dev account. I'm gonna open terminal. This is okay. Let's write this commands. CD. I forgot how to do this. Was it N? Yes. Documents. Okay, that is not what I was supposed to do, right? Wait, CD. This is starting off really good. Documents. Will that work? Too many arguments. I understand. I think each one at a time. It's nice to know how terminal works. Not no such file or directory? What? But that's okay because you know what? I'm gonna do it here. I have hello Python. That's gonna be my folder. this is, but we're going to delete this one. Oh, that's exactly what I had to do. What? No, I want to create a new one here. And hello. I seem to be. How do I create a new file? Okay, let's just open Cursor. I can do this. Yes, you are allowed. Let's close all of this. Jesus. See how I'm not smart at all when it comes to this? Let's close the agent. A new file, which we're going to put in here, and the name is hello.py. The pi ending tells your computer this is a Python file. I thought as much. And the blank file type is by hand. Print. Hello. I am learning Python. Print. Today is my first day print. I already know HTML. Yeah, I wish. And JavaScript. Okay, let's save that. Now, no, but I did not. Yeah, now go to terminal, he says. But I did not do what you said before. So, but what happens? Python 3 hello pi. Yeah. Can I just open the file? Yes. Oh my god, what is this? No such file or directory. Okay, I don't care. I'm gonna leave this for now as well. Let's just see. Store information in boxes. Create a new file. Variables dot type this. Variables, are you sure? Are like labeled boxes that hold information. Name. Alex. Age. 30. City. Munich. Is learning true. Print. My name is plus name. Print. I am city. Okay, if it starts with this, it's just a comment and they ignore that. Can change what is in the box anytime. Is learning equals to a special type called a Boolean. It can only be true or false, like a light switch on and off. Print. The plus symbol joins text together. This is because my name is Alex. I met a string means turn this into a string. You cannot join a number in text directly in Python. String 30 turns the number 30 into the text. Okay. The thing is, I cannot. I cannot enter what I wrote in Python in terminal because I have it in a different folder. No, but that's not the path I have. That is not the path that I have. I have it in Agent Lab, not in documents. Maybe, let me try something. I'm just gonna cd and Agent Lab. I don't know it's projects. Hello, Python. Okay. Okay, nice. Ah, like it. So I'm in Hello Python and I wanted to open Python 3 variables. Nah, he's still not. He's not opening it. Oh, fuck off. something I really would like to. Let me write this down for a second. I'm very old school. Wait. Okay, I will write it down later. It doesn't matter. Now run. Okay, that one. So it is running Hello Pi, but it's not. Stupid. I did not save it. Command not found. But now I did. That's not true. Oh. Oh. Okay. It worked now. Thank you, Claude. Okay, this is super interesting. My name is... I am 30 years old. Weirdly, I would like it to be... Why is it written like together? I live in... There's no space. Will that change? Okay, I don't care. This is fun. This is a lot of fun, but I feel like I want to write this down for a second. So, go to specific file would be this. Okay. Awesome. This is fun. So you can change the values to... Okay. Let's go make decisions. Ooh. This is fun. Decisions dot pi. So let's write a comment first. The computer makes choices based on conditions, temperature. Based on condition. Okay. So for example, temperature equals 35. If temperature is higher than 30. Print it is hot. Stay hydrated. Print maybe go swimming. Elif temperature over 20. Print nice weather. Nice weather. Not finished. Perfect for a walk. Full stop. Elif temperature over 10. Isn't temperature, if it's 35, it's over all of those? But okay. Print a bit cool. Grab a jacket. Else. Print cold. Hey, I forgot this. Stay inside and code. So only code when it's cold outside. I don't want to keep moving to print. Okay. Print age checker. Okay. Age equals 25. I wish if age over equals 18, print you are supposed to be an adult. Else print you are a minor. Go play. Print password checker. Password equals secret 123. That's a great password. Attempt equals secret 123. If attempt, why are there two equal signs? I don't understand anything of what I'm writing. Else print wrong password. Okay, let's save this. let's explain the lines first. So if temperature is over 30 means if the temperature is greater than 30, I get that one. See the spaces before print, that is called indentation. In Python, indentation is how you say this code belongs inside the if block. Use 4 spaces. What? They were no. I know what you mean. Okay. Python 3 decisions. Can't open file. No such file or directory. Are we here again? Project CelePython. Okay. That's decisions. Okay, it's time to use an agent. Did something wrong in the code decisions.py, and now it doesn't run well on terminal. And maybe it's the indentation. What is happening? Ha! You want me to upgrade to Pro already? I'm still learning. Shoot. I did something wrong. Let me check something, because here the indentation came automatically, but here, look, let's make this nice. Just as Claude put it, print H, print else, print that one. Let's see. Yes! It is hot, stay hydrated. Maybe go swimming? I mean, the temperatures were... It is not over 30 degrees here, but okay. You're supposed to be an adult. Access granted. Welcome. I mean, it does. Ah, I I understand this. Means equal to. This is different from which assigns a value. 1 means put this in the value box, and 2 means check if these are the same. And prints an empty line just to add spacing in the output. Wow. I understand. I understand. I also understand. I'm not going to make pro right now. This is so interesting and so different. So the indentation truly does matter. And when I was writing this, it automatically indented it to the side. Ooh, this is so interesting. How much time have I been on this? 32 minutes. Okay, I want to try one more. What do I have? Functions, mini project, quiz game. Quiz game. Oh, I want to do one of these. I'm gonna do a quiz game. Okay, let's try. Oh, this is fun. Loops. Oh, this is so much fun. Okay. A for loop repeats a specific number of times. Okay, let's go. Print. Counting to 5. Only if you have. Are you gonna tell me what the 3? Because I do understand the 2 equal signs means it's equal to, whereas 1 equal signs means put this value in the box. What does it mean when it has 3 equal signs? It's just gonna print. It's just okay. Let's just do this. For number in range 1, 6, print step plus str number plus of 5 okay. Print extra line, got it that much. Print my favorite food. May favorite foods. Foods equals this German sushi, tacos, ice cream, pasta, for food in foods, print, I love plus food plus exclamation mark. Print, countdown. I don't know if this is gonna have any influence on the space here, but let's just try to make it just as he's saying it. For I in range 5, 0, -1, print str e plus, yes, this all sounds very print blast off, print time break, print multiplication table for 7, for I in range 1, 11, result equals 7 E. No, E. No, small e. Print. I have no clue what is happening here. 7x plus string e plus equal signs, and there's a space here. I don't know if that is string result. Okay, let's save this. Let's run it. Python 3 loops. Oh, back. Oh, my back. Oh, okay. Counting to 5. This is so cool. A loop repeats code within order times. Counting to 5. Print step plus string number of 5. The only thing I'm missing is how do I put a space between step and the number? Give me a second. There we go. My favorite food. I love. Okay, I need to put another space after love. These are the ones. Oh wow, this is so cool. Countdown, print the string E. And the multiplication, this is so cool. For E in range 1 to 11, it's on 7 times I, and print 7 times plus the string I plus equals plus string result. I love this. This is really cool. This is really, really cool. Oh wow. This is awesome. Okay, so what are you explaining here? For number and range, so for each number, I got that much. Oh wow, this is super cool. How much time? Okay, I've been 43 minutes, so maybe it's time for me to stop this. But this is so cool. This is so cool. I love it. Okay, so tomorrow is the okay. Functions, reusable recipes with different names. Agree to then mini project quiz game. I would love to do a quiz one, which would be combining everything I already learned. Okay, that's pretty cool. What else do we have? Leveling up lists and directory, dictionaries, organizing data. Nice. Working with files. Ooh. A contact book. Ooh, now it's Python in the internet connecting to APIs. This is very interesting. Oh, it's gonna get really interesting. Then understanding JSON. What am I going to do? Calling the Claude API. This is a big one. See what I love this. It says critical. Keep your API key secret. Your API key is like a password. Never share it on stream. Never put it in code that goes to GitHub. We are going to store it safely. This is funny because that's exactly what I was reading yesterday about people vibe coding stuff and having the API key public and then things happening. And I was already like, oh, thank God I was reading this. But Claude is telling me so. Yeah, that's what happens. See, this is why my original idea was learn at least some basics of code first. I think I, more than anyone, want to start building things. So I understand people saying, this is awesome, gonna vibe code stuff. If you don't try to understand things first, I'm not saying you have to become an expert, but you need to understand first. You cannot just, it's great that the technology is there, but you cannot just go and do things. I know, go fast, break things, whatever, but there's a limit. If you don't understand the basics, you're gonna fuck up so badly. And this API key stuff is one of the things that's happening. So just learn. I mean, I'm on day 6. I can delay me building stuff for maybe 2 weeks, 3 weeks, whatever it's going to take me. If that's going to make sure that I make less mistakes, because I'm going to make mistakes anyway. But you just need some basics. You cannot just go out there. So happy for being right. They love being right. Okay, store the keys safely. Okay. Wow, everything that's gonna happen is so interesting. I could sit here for hours now doing more things with Python. I find this completely mind-blowing. Any coder watching me is probably, who would watch me, who's gonna watch this, but laughing so hard that I'm mind blown about this loop thing. I'm mind blown. This is just so freaking cool. This is really cool. I really want to keep going, but I should minimum take a break. Anyway, this is so much fun. My day 6. I'm so motivated.